Java is a popular programming language that helps you create apps and programs. It is used to create Android apps, web apps, banking systems, and much more. What makes Java special? You write your code once and it can run on almost any device, from computers, phones, even on smart TVs. In fact, over 3 billion devices run Java. That's why learning it opens so many doors. Let me prove it to you right now. This is your first Java program. Don't worry if it looks confusing right now. I promise you by the end of this series, you will understand each and every line. So this is Replit that I just opened right now. Replit is a web-based platform that lets you write, run, and share your, your code. It is free. It doesn't need you to install anything. So this pointing right here is your main Java class where we write our code. So this is our code, this you see here. So here we are telling the computer to display hello world. I'm gonna run this code using this button. The results will be here in our console. So I'm gonna select the console. As you can see, it is empty right now. There's nothing. Let me go back to main. So and run the code. You see, we told the computer to display hello world, and it did. This is Java in action. In the next video, I'll show you how Java runs on any device using something called the JVM. It's simpler than you think. For now, remember Java is powerful, it's everywhere, and companies pay well for it. So if you found this video helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you there.